Hi there everybody, I'm Jerry and was just sent this boxing set here. It's got a ball boxing set that basically can help you work on your reflexes and your accuracy. Inside this box, which everything comes nicely packaged, there actually is 4 different balls in here. There's some beginner size balls, and then there's also this little heavier one that is more for advanced users. They do come with nice bungee straps on here. They do come with a lot of other things in the box that I kind of want to get in here and show you. There's additional spare bungees. They send you 4 of those with a little piece there that you can thread through the ball, which is a really nice thing. They've got 2 separate head straps, so if you're going to be doing this with somebody else, or you're going to be needing to hook on different ones so that you can do quick change outs for yourself, those are nice head straps with nice hook and loop fabric on the back here for adjustment, which is great. And then this kit also does have a couple of wraps for your hands, so that if you wanted to wrap your hands up to give you a little more traction, you can certainly do that. These little bungee straps attach on here. You want to make them the length of your arm, and then they attach onto this nice D-ring, which is secured firmly into the head strap. I'm going to go ahead and put the head strap on. It's very comfortable because it is that elastic and it is adjustable, so you can easily adjust that to wherever you need to. And now with this, you can help improve your accuracy by throwing the ball and trying to hit the ball back and forth with yourself like that, and try to get yourself improved with the accuracy. This is a really nice thing to use for exercise.